Hi everyone, this is your part 2 of our prelim discussion. So, we will just continue kasi naputo yung discussion natin, supposedly yung part 1. So, karugtong lang to ng part 1. So, the cybercrime definition and classification, tapos na tayo sa hacking. Dito naman tayo sa cracking. Unauthorized breaking of software or network security. Password cracking may tatlong methods. May brute force, may dictionary attack, at rainbow table attack. Brute force, random character guesses. Yung mga hack ka sa isang system, like nag-random character, ka lang, nag-guess ka lang. Titinigo mo lang ang mga password. Dictionary attack naman, you are using common words like mga basic ABCD 1, 2, 3 ng mga password, yun. Ginagamit mo yung mga basic password. Sa rainbow table attack, merong table specification na hash number yung hacker at tinitignan niya doon yung mga possible na magiging password mo. So, tatlo lang yan. Sa brute, meron siyang random. Tignan nyo ha, may keyword. Pag brute force, random guesses. Pag dictionary attack, using common words as password. And sa rainbow table attack, from the word itself, table, naka-table yung mga hash values, pre-computed hash values. Okay, the difference between cracking and hacking. So, si cracking, it only aims to break and exploit and steal, magnakaw. It is the act of breaking into system or software na may malicious intent, such as pagnanakaw ng data, pagsira, or bypassing ng copyright protection para sa personal gain, and it is strictly illegal. Minsan tinatawag siyang black hats. Sa hacking naman, or the hackers, aims na mag-build, mag-test, at mag-secure ng system. Tignan nyo, pinagkaiba nila. First sentence pa lang. Okay? Hacking is gaining unauthorized access to systems to find vulnerabilities, para makita yung vulnerabilities, para ma-improve yung security, or ma-satisfy yung curiosity, and is generally considered ethical or legal when authorized, or often referred as white hats. So, yun lang yung pinagkaiba ng hacking at cracking. Although, pareho silang nag-gain access without authorization, pero si cracking kasi, yung goal niya is negative. While si hacker naman, more on positive yung purpose niya, bakit siya nang-hack. And out of curiosity din. Yes, out of curiosity.